I'm going to be sharing about something pretty disturbing that's happened at a Chennai school in Ashok Nagar. I spoke to the father of the boy, and he told me a harrowing experience of his 14 or 15-year-old boy. It's a 10th standard kid who got bullied by his classmates. It's a group of 4 or 5 boys, I think. And they have taken the boy to the school bathroom. They have assaulted him, attempted to sodomize him, forced him to masturbate, pulled on his genitals, pulled on his nipples. They have hit him, kicked him around, and they have also told him that he dares report any of this, they will incite him to suicide. They have asked him to kill himself, and also said that they will throw him off the terrace of the school since there are no security cameras and nobody will ever be able to find it out. Once the boy actually went back and told his parents, finally they figured out what was going on. The boy was extremely scared. He was having fever. He was vomiting. He was in an extremely affected space. Finally, he opened up to his parents. His mother seems to have gone and spoken to the boys. கையில காலில் விழுந்து தயவு செய்து என் பையனை விட்டுருங்க, நீங்கெல்லாம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் ஆயிருங்க, சின்ன பசங்க தானே அப்படின்னு கால்லெல்லாம் விழுந்திருக்காங்க. She has fallen at their feet. அதுக்கு those boys have basically said okay auntie, and then gone back to the boy after the mother left and said, I'd like to, go and watch your parents have sex and sent us a video. They have forced him to watch porn throughout all of this. And all of this has happened in the school bathroom. The worst part of all of this is that the parent has gone and tried to, file a complaint, and they had gone with a lawyer, and the cops were like, oh, so you'll only come with a lawyer, is it? And they have also said, think of the future of the bullying, assaulting boys. You should not spoil the future of them because they are studying. Your son is also studying. So make sure that you sumugama finish this off. It actually makes my blood boil that people don't have the sensitivity of what sort of a case this is. A lot of boys get sexually assaulted, abused, bullied terribly, and harassed in school a lot of times. The only request that I'm going to be putting out is that please, speak to your boys, speak to your sons. If there is a sudden change in behavior, if they're not communicating as much, if they're feeling scared, if they're withdrawing themselves and not behaving as usual, please check in on them and see what's going on with your sons. Make sure that they are not scarred for life with something like this. The only way to do this is to have an open channel of communication. Please do this. And if you notice any such thing happening in the school with your children, the best thing is to make sure that you keep an open channel of communication, and to tell them that your children can come to you at any given point in time without any fear. Here, the bullies have also tried to incite the child to kill himself. They have taken a knife to him and said, this is how you kill yourself, and told him to kill himself. There is a lot, all the things that these bullies have done is extremely disturbing, and this is not normal behavior. It's very, very difficult for children to heal from this, but it is possible. The only thing I'm going to request you as a new parent, and all of this makes me really scared of how safe our kids are going to be in school, especially with in situations like this. Only way, I presume, would be to make sure that our children speak to us and always believe that it is safe to come to us no matter what the situation is. So please look after your children, look after your boys. Just speak to your boys to make sure that they are not going through something like this in school. That is the only request that I'll make. Thank you.